I'm going to show you the best part about having a big brake kit, whether it's this Project Moo or some of the other ones like the Brembos or the Willwoods. The great thing is changing the pads is super easy in these, and I'm just going to show you how quick and easy it is. The nice thing about these Project Moo calipers is they have 4 separate pads, one on each piston, and pads go in like this. You get this retaining spring, which is going to require 2 hands, so I'm going to set the camera down for a second and just show you how that pops in. Just going to turn this until you see the little indent right here. That's where the spring clip is going to go. That's all there is to it.